Good morning, dear students. Our today's topic is a story about the clever minister, which is your third chapter. So, open your textbook and turn to page number 23rd for glossary. Yes, are you ready? So, start. Let's read glossary. First word is thirsty. Thirsty, it means pyasa. Next is familiar. Familiar means parichit. Next is language. Language, it means bhasha. Next is luggage. Luggage, it means यात्री का सामान. Next is caught. Caught, it means पकड़ा. Next is wisdom. Wisdom, it means समझदारी. Next is marvelous. Marvelous, it means बहुत बढ़िया. So turn to page number 18. Let's read the story, The Clever Minister. At first, I tell you about the sign of saying, and sign of something thinking, according this story. So, let's see. This is sign for something saying. The king something saying. And this is the sign of something thinking. The minister thinking. So let's read carefully. King Somvarma and his minister were once lost in the forest. King Somvarma and his minister once lost in a forest. Mantri, I am thirsty. King Somvarma said, Mantri, I am thirsty. I want some water. Where, Mantri thinking, where can I get some water? I am not familiar with this forest. Page number 19. Mantri said to king, I am sorry, Maharaj. I searched everywhere, here and there. Somvarma said, if I don't drink water, I will die. Suddenly, the minister noticed a flock of deer passing by. A flock of deer passing by. Maharaj, I have an idea. Mantri said, Maharaj, I have an idea. Next is page number 20. These deer will show where water is. But we don't know their language. Maharaj said, but we don't know their language. Mantri said, we have salt in our luggage, that is enough. The minister caught a deer. The minister caught a deer. Now I feed him all the salt. So Mantri feed all the salt in deer's mouth. A little later, the deer has begun to feel thirsty. Now we must follow him. The minister is number 22. The minister set the deer free. Come on. The deer is running in search of water. The deer is running in search of water. Look, water. Mantri said, look, water. Minister, your wisdom is marvelous. King said, your wisdom is marvelous. So, dear students, I am sending you a PDF for various type of activity. So, read the PDF carefully and write the answer according to given statements. First activity is write T for true and F for false statements. First is the king was thirsty. Yes, this is true. Next is the minister was familiar with the forest. No, false. The minister fed sugar the deer. No, it is false. The king got water. Yes, this is true. Answer the following question next. B. Activity first. Question number B. What was the name of the king? What was the name of king? Yes, Somvarma. Next is whose language did the king and his minister not know? Whose language? Yes, deer's language. Next is whom did the minister set free? Yes, deer. Where did the deer go? Deer went to the water. Next is name two words on each petal which you find in the forest. Page number 24. Let's see. Trees. Two names of trees. Bamboo, banyan. Birds. Peacock, crow. Flowers. Marigold, rose. Animals. Tiger, elephant. Make new words by adding the word every given in the center of the word in the circle. Let's see. Word every. We add the word every before this word and make a new word. Every day, everywhere, everything, every week, every month, everybody. Next is break the following words into two meaningful words. One word has been done for you. First is inside. We break the word in two parts, in and side. Sunlight, sun and light. Outside, out and side. Lunch box, lunch and box, etc. Next is the words with ly ending are usually known as adverbs. Change the following given in brackets by adding ly to them. First is sudden. The minister noticed a flock of deer. We write suddenly. Next is nice. We add ly with word nice and make a new word nicely. Next is real. Really. Soft, softly. Activity 5. Look at the picture given below. Write their names choosing from the box. Let's see. First is lake, second is hand pump, next is tube well, next is taka, next is well, next is river and pond and stream. Draw a picture of a boat and color it. Picture of a boat. अब एक बात अभिभावकों के साथ। नमस्कार। जिस प्रकार से मैंने बच्चों को लेसन रीड करना सिखाया, यह एक पिक्चर स्टोरी है और बच्चों को यह पिक्चर स्टोरी रीड करना सिखाइए। बच्चे पिक्चर को देखकर ही उसको समझ जाएंगे कि इसमें क्या दिया हुआ है और धीरे धीरे उनको रीड करना सिखाइए। उनको साइन बताइए कि जब कोई कुछ कह रहा है तो उसका साइन कैसा है, जब कोई सोच रहा है तो उसका साइन कैसा है, और उसको धीरे धीरे इस प्रकार से रीड करना सिखाइए। और उसके बाद मैं इस वीडियो के साथ एक PDF भी सेंड कर रही हूँ। उस PDF को देखकर बच्चों को राइटिंग का अभ्यास करवाइए। इस प्रकार से बच्चे की लिसनिंग, स्पीकिंग, रीडिंग और राइटिंग स्किल में इम्प्रूवमेंट आएगा और धीरे धीरे उनको लर्न करने का अभ्यास करवाइए। Thank you. Have a nice day. Be positive.